Hey there! Welcome back to Best Product. Today we're talking about the best compressed air duster that can make your cleaning routine faster, easier, and much more effective. If you're tired of weak airflow or messy disposable cans, this product might be exactly what you need. Let's get started. The Relidol Compressed Air Duster is designed to give you strong and reliable cleaning power in a simple and modern way. Right away, one of its most impressive features is the high-speed motor that can reach up to 100,000 RPM. This creates a powerful airflow that helps remove dust and debris quickly from even tight spaces, making cleaning feel effortless. Another great thing about the Relidol Compressed Air Duster is its adjustable airflow system. With a simple press and hold button and a smooth control knob, you can switch between 3 different airflow modes. This means you can use a gentle flow for delicate items or a stronger blast for deep cleaning, giving you better control every time. The cordless and lightweight design makes it very easy to handle and carry around. You are not tied to a cable, so you can move freely while cleaning different areas. This makes the whole experience more comfortable and less stressful. Safety is also a big focus in the Relidol Compressed Air Duster. It comes with built-in protection against overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits. This gives you peace of mind while using it and helps keep the device running smoothly for a long time. Durability is another strong point here. The body is made from tough ABS material, which means it can handle daily use and resist damage from small drops or impacts. This makes it a reliable tool that you can depend on over time. The Relidol Compressed Air Duster also stands out with its multiple attachments. It includes 5 different nozzles and 3 brushes. These help you clean a wide range of items like keyboards, computers, car interiors, and even furniture. Each attachment gives you better access to different surfaces and corners. It is not just for cleaning either. The Relidol Compressed Air Duster can also be used to inflate items like swimming rings or small inflatables. It can even help with tasks like starting a fire when you're barbecuing, which adds extra convenience. Battery life is another highlight. With a powerful 7500 mAh battery, it can run for about 20 to 40 minutes on a single charge. And when it runs out, you can recharge it fully in just a few hours using USB-C, which is fast and convenient. The built-in LED display is a nice touch as well. It shows the battery level and the airflow mode clearly, so you always know the status of the device. Along with that, the LED work light helps you see clearly in dark or tight spaces, making cleaning much easier. The overall design of the Relidol Compressed Air Duster feels modern and practical. It looks clean, fits comfortably in your hand, and is easy to use for everyday tasks. Everything about it is made to improve your cleaning experience. This is something you do not want to miss. Check the price link in the description and see if it is right for you. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more amazing finds. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.